What is Annie looking at? Alright guys, just a quick video. Annie is looking inside of that paper shed. Annie is looking at the new custom right here, and this is the hint for you to guess. It's a passenger coach carriage, not motorized. And this custom, I see a history on a magazine. That's the only thing I see online, and I think there are a couple videos. Some YouTubers try to make the remake of this short custom model. So I'm just gonna say that it's angry and has one color green. So that's all what I'm gonna say for now. So I will post the video later today, probably at 10 a.m. or 11. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.